friends! Welcome back to another plant video. Today we're going to be recycling some water bottles to make pots. So first, let's remove the label. So now we have an empty plastic bottle. We can use a knife to cut a hole out of it. Make sure you're being very careful. So take one side and start cutting a line from the top to the bottom, something like this. Then continue by going down the line and cutting the same on the other side. So once you've finished cutting that, you have an empty plastic bottle that has many opportunities you can do. Next, you're going to use your knife to make some drainage holes. Drainage holes are vital for plants because it removes excess water so the roots do not rot. So here I am piercing lots of holes. So this is our ending, and we can use our cut piece to be our water holder. Next, we're gonna put some of our soil. Make sure you fill it plenty. And finally, take your plants that you choose. I've chosen some of these. And also some wandering Jew. So once you've chosen your plants, you can add it, and here you go. Your own new pot, just by using plastic bottles, and none of the plastic bottle is waste. Look at how my plants are thriving. You can use this for any plant, succulents, even trails, strings of bananas, and many more. Wow. Keep your pots in indirect sunlight or in a place according to your plant's wishes. Here's some of the more pots that I made, and look how it's thriving so well, and look at the progress it made. You don't even need to spend money. We've put ours on the windowsill, so our plants can get enough sunlight. Here's another example. You can put a mix of... Here's a close-up of some of the plants that made progress. Look at these beautiful babies coming out. Isn't this amazing? All by the use of recycling. And you can make your own too. Look at these cute little babies. And you can even make varieties. You can use the same plastic bottle to create vertical pots. And look at this same beautiful. You can just do this by cutting the top off. Similar to what we did to make horizontal pots, but instead it's using the top. Thanks for watching. Bye.